Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete an app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete an application on your iPhone, come to your app menu and then locate the application you want to delete or uninstall. Press and hold the application. Click on remove app from the pop. Then you should see remove from home screen, delete app or cancel. Go ahead and click on delete app. Then you should see that says delete the application. Deleting this app will also delete the data. Go ahead and click on delete. Then this is going to delete the application from your iPhone. Alternatively, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, click on general. Scroll down general. And then you want to locate iPhone storage. Hang on. Then locate the application you want to delete on your iPhone. Just search through. Click on the application. Go ahead and click on delete app. Then see that says delete this particular application. Deleting this will also delete its data. Click on delete. Hang on. This is going to delete the application from your iPhone and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete an app or apps on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.